Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to star send links on WhatsApp Web right on your PC using the brand new update. This feature makes it super easy to keep track of important links you've shared so you can find them later without scrolling through endless chats. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser and make sure you're logged in. If you haven't used it before, just visit WhatsApp Web, scan the QR code with your phone, and you'll be ready to go. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left side menu. That's where you'll find the new media icon. Click on it. This section now organizes your chat media into categories like photos, videos, documents, and links. Next, choose links from the list. Here, you'll see all the links you've shared or received in your chats. It's a neat way to browse through every link in one place, no need to hunt for them chat by chat. At the top of the window, click on the sort icon. From the drop-down menu, choose You. This filters out all the links that you have sent, so you are only looking at your shared links and not the ones received from others. Once your sent links are loaded, go to the top of the window again and click on the select icon. This will allow you to choose individual links or even select multiple ones at once. After selecting the links you want to keep handy, simply click on the star icon that appears. That's it, those links are now starred. You can easily access them later whenever you need to revisit an important page, article, or video you've shared. And that's how you star sent links on WhatsApp Web on PC using the latest update. It's quick, organized, and saves you tons of time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it too.